unleashing the power of performance cloud servers, real-life use cases. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses need powerful and reliable infrastructure to stay ahead. Introducing Performance Cloud Servers, the backbone of modern business operations. Performance Cloud Servers offer unparalleled speed, scalability, and security, making them the ideal choice for a wide range of applications. High-traffic websites. High-traffic websites require robust infrastructure to handle large volumes of visitors without compromising on performance. Performance Cloud Servers ensure your website remains fast and responsive, even during peak times. Keep your users happy with lightning-fast load times and seamless browsing experiences. Data-intensive applications. Data-intensive applications, such as big data analytics and business intelligence tools, demand high computational power and storage capability. Performance Cloud Servers provide the resources needed to process and analyze large datasets efficiently, unlock valuable insights, and drive data-driven decisions with ease. Software development and testing. Software development and testing environments require flexibility and scalability to support multiple projects and rapid iteration. Performance Cloud Servers offer the perfect solution, enabling developers to spin up environments quickly and scale resources as needed. Accelerate your development cycles and bring products to market faster. Gaming and streaming services. Gaming and streaming services need low latency and high performance to deliver immersive experiences. Performance Cloud Servers provide the speed and reliability required to support real-time interactions and high-quality streams. Ensure smooth gameplay and uninterrupted streaming for your users. Enterprise applications. Enterprise applications, such as ERP and CRM systems, are critical to business operations. Performance Cloud Servers offer the reliability and security needed to run these applications smoothly, supporting your business processes and enhancing productivity. Empower your workforce with reliable and efficient tools. Disaster recovery and backup. In the event of a disaster, having a robust recovery plan is essential. Performance Cloud Servers provide reliable backup and disaster recovery solutions, ensuring your data is safe and your business can quickly resume operations. Protect your critical data and ensure business continuity. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning workloads require significant computational power. Performance Cloud Servers offer the scalability and performance needed to train and deploy AI models effectively. Accelerate your AI initiatives and achieve better outcomes. Want to learn more? Visit our website, www.excelhost.cloud.